everybody, this is Alessandra. Welcome to my home, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an orange loaf pan cake. It's delicious, it's simple with ingredients I am sure you have home. This is a great cake for those of you that are lactose intolerant or dairy free. Okay, let's get started. I have 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 1/4 cup of sugar, the zest of the orange, and we will be using the pulp, 1/2 cup of oil. I'm using a light olive oil, 3 eggs, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and I have about 5 tablespoons of almonds that have been sliced, slivered almonds. Okay, let's get started with the cake. That's a zesty orange, and we're going to puree the pulp. Go ahead and cut all the skin. Make sure you get the white part out of the pith because that gives bitterness, and you don't want that in the cake. Let's get it in. Now, just looking at and smelling this fresh orange, how could the cake not be good? You're putting fresh, delicious ingredients for wonderful results. Gonna add the sugar and the eggs. Always make sure that the eggs are at room temperature. Make sure you want a nice, airy, frothy. It needs to really work. Slowly add the oil in as I continue beating. Time to add the pulp of the orange. Zest in. Now what we're going to do is we are going to sift in the baking powder and the flour. The flour in, the baking powder, just like this. That's a very important part because it adds airiness. And you see the pieces like this? So just with your fingers, mash them down. So there it goes. Now, back with the mixer on low speed. Just get it all well incorporated. This is what it needs to look like, nice and thick. I have a 10-inch by 4 loaf pan. I've greased it, but at the bottom I always like to add the parchment paper so that the cake detaches easily. Warm oven on 325, and I'm going to add the almonds on top. And off in the oven it goes. Okay, here it is. Cooked exactly an hour. It's beautiful, nice and high. Now let's let it cool before we remove it. Okay, look at this beautiful, beautiful orange cake. Now I'm gonna cut it because I want you to take a look inside. So I'm gonna cut a really nice big piece because I want you to see how soft and ecco qua. Look at that. See all that beautiful orange color from the natural fruit. We didn't put any coloring in it. And il profumo è delizioso. The aroma is delicious. Thank you for watching. Hit the bell button. Please subscribe. Until next time, arrivederci. Ciao ciao.